Good afternoon, everybody. Coming to you today. Got an 05 Dodge Ram 3500 four-wheel drive here, and she is a beauty. Been taking care of this truck for about the last 5-6 years for the customer. He's gonna be getting rid of her. He bought him a brand new truck. But you're not gonna get much better than this old girl. They've took extremely great care of her. There's no rust on her anyplace. She don't live in Michigan in the wintertime. She goes south for the winter. And about the heaviest thing that this thing gets to haul is camper. She is a beauty. She is a beauty. I like my girls with big hips. This one right here's got some beautiful hips on it. No cracks, no bumps, no bruises on her whatsoever. Complete leather interior. No rips. That's the driver's side seat. It's clean. Right there's the miles on her. There's that dash pad. She is quiet. Those are the kind of engines you want right there. No blow-by whatsoever. She's dry. This is from the undercoating. There is no rust on there whatsoever. Rockers, none of it. She's just a clean old girl. She is an eye catcher. So if any of you are interested in her out there, you can message me. I'll give you the old boy's number. You guys can talk numbers. This is a clean one, and it's been adult owned. So we'll see you all around. Y'all have a great day. Be safe out there. Thank you very much. Bye.